What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a small little, actually a big propane torch, like attachment head, or a weed burner is what they have it on here. You can see it's from the company LOFUKI, maybe is how you would say that. And it's the propane torch weed burner with integrated lighter. And looking over the box here, you can kind of see all of the usages of this thing. You can burn weeds. You can actually meet de-hairing, which is like a pig or something like that. Asphalt paving, light fires, which I'm going to light a fire pit here and show you guys it's working, or melt snow and ice like around on your driveway or something like that. And this is how I got it in. It came in this little box right here. The only thing I had to do was screw it together right here. Be careful not to over tighten that and strip those out. And then the actual propane bottle is going to connect right here, and you have a little igniter right there. So let me go ahead, grab me a propane bottle, install on here, and let's see how it burns up this box right here. Okay, so let me see what's inside the box. I forgot to show you guys what's in the box. So you get a little foam piece right there and some instructions, and we're just gonna burn that box. Here's the weed burner, and it's basically some precautions and all that. So here's what you're gonna do. I put it together just like it was on the box, with the igniter facing down and the hook like this. And to install your bottle, you're just going to use one of these all-purpose propanes right here. Make sure it's off before you put that on there. Once you screw that on, that is screwed on there. So once you get that screwed on, what you want to do is turn the gas on slowly, because you will drown it out. There it is. See how it lights? So don't turn it all the way up or you will drown it out. I don't know how well you can hear it, but check this out. See, now you can make your adjustments on it. See how it's just kind of like burning all of that up? That's working great. Look at that. When you shake it, well, that thing really goes. Let's burn up these boxes. This is what I do with a lot of my boxes when I get these stuff into review. I'll just basically burn the boxes and then keep the stuff. If I want to, because I usually burn all of the weeds that go around here. Actually, I put weed killer on them. With this thing, I can burn them. I don't know how well you can see it burning right there. See, once you burn those weeds, especially these little ones right here. Look at that. And then when you want to turn it off, just turn the switch and it goes off. Oh, that made a weird sound. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the propane torch / weed burner. See y'all in the next video.